you have cars and everyday experience.
But for now,
Morning sun on the shelf, fresh hair clean as well. Phone up, lens on glow. Chin way, tell them what you know. Step by step, you said.
I know they cost me. If you want answer my but don't answer my passport, hey guys, good morning guys. I'm in pains. I'm having back pains. I don't know why. I'm having back pain. How you're doing? So hope you just help me and massage it with a body keeper. I've been feeling this pain since yesterday. I've been feeling this pain. I don't know if it's after I used the epidural for my baby that is causing it. Me, I don't know. This back pain is so painful. So painful. Standing up is a problem.
Where are your ears? Yeah, these are your ears. Yeah. Atlas.
Hey guys. Good afternoon guys. How you all doing? So it's Sunday here. Mama, sorry. It's Sunday here and we are dressing to go out. We are dressing up to go out. So Obi is taking us out. I spoke to you guys. I'm coming guys. I'm coming. Mama, go. So this is my full outfit. So I spoke to you guys on Friday, if I can remember. I spoke with you guys that I'm going for my driving practical test, and I'm going for my driving practical test on Saturday. It's not ready. I'm going for my driving practical test on. Mama, I'm coming. Let me rub lip gloss. Come, 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 come. Come take it. Okay. Take Take it. So I told you guys on Friday that I'll be going for my driving practical test on Saturday. So guys, I went yesterday, I came back, I couldn't talk to you guys because I was so tired because I didn't sleep throughout Friday night stroke Saturday. I no close this my eyes. I was driving in my head. In fact, my head dey giro. If you understand the word giro, if you are neatly, you understand what giro means. So my head, I was giroing. Please ignore the background though. Just ignore whatever you're seeing here. That's from on Monday. I'll start putting the house in order. But throughout last week, I didn't do anything because I had driving practical test on Saturday. So from Monday till yesterday, we were always leaving the house because I had to drive for 30 minutes. So we're always leaving the house very early in the morning. I will come back in the afternoon. So all those times I was talking with you guys, it's just the little time that I had that I was able to drop it. We went yesterday. When we came back, like I said, I was so tired and I had visitor. So someone came to visit us yesterday. So it was a little bit crowded in the house. So I couldn't give you guys the update on how far the exam was. That was as I came back. When I came back, we had to me and Obi we had to rush to Conard to shop for the house, to do one or two shop because we've not shop for the weekend. So we have to go shop for the weekend, which I have the video. I'm going to post it. Go shop for the weekend. So we came back. Our visitor was already waiting for us. So as I came in, there was no food in the house. Immediately, I started cooking. So when I was done cooking, served, everybody ate. I was so tired that I slept off till this. Guys, let me give you for the update. I went, I saw, like I told you guys, I said from my mouth to God's ears, and God heard me. So the driving practice or the driving practical test was, we give God the glory. It was a success. See my hand. I'm going to open it and show you guys very soon. It was a success. So yesterday we left the house by 7 because my instructor told me I should be at the particular spot that I was supposed to drive. I should be there by 9. Sorry, don't touch my this thing. No. So in my city, bus does not work by 7 on Saturdays. So we have to look for someone who will go drop us. Mama, what do you want? Let me open fridge for you. Take go like this. Yes. So guys, this is the good news. This is the good news. I got my patente yesterday. So hobbies, you don't, they're not the same, and I don't they hurry me. When I come back, I'm going to sit down and do a sit down video and gist you guys what happened, because things happened. What played? I'm going to tell you guys the story. So for now, here's the good news. We passed our driving practical. We are now certified to drive. We are now certified to drive, so I can pilot. I can pilot. I can go to anywhere I want to go. So yesterday when went to Conan, Obi bought this champagne for us to celebrate. But because we had visitors, we could not celebrate it yesterday. So we are going to be celebrating with this champagne later on. But for now, let's go and celebrate outside. So you guys are going with me. So guys, let's go. EJ. Let us go and celebrate the latest driver license holder in Italy. International, European driver's license, so don't be local. International driver's license. So come with me, let's go and celebrate. Let's go and celebrate.
I best friend. Ako best tra virgolette. A beach. Tra. Tra. Yo so. Maybe that's chicken.
It's my home.
You don't like chicken nuggets?
I bet you.
No, you don't put chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
This one is the chicken and I bake it. We have to bacon. It's what bake. What is food? I'm not.
You will like camera.
And every day experience.
What are some?
I cost that one. Let's see it now. Dale pues.
Esta